Hello, my name is Jad Makhtar, and I'm going to talk through the new GLB capture feature in Oasys Reporter version 20. Previously, Reporter could only support capturing 2D static or dynamic items from D3plot, such as images, videos, and GIFs. In Reporter version 20, we've introduced 3D GLB items. Now, GLB items are 3D interactive animations or models that could be played and rotated within the platform it is being viewed in. There are four types of GLB items to choose from when capturing GLB content from D3plot. There are current frame uncompressed, current frame compressed, animation uncompressed, and animation compressed. If you choose current frame when capturing, only the 3D model at the specific time frame of capture will be rendered into the GLB. However, if animation is chosen, all the time frames will be rendered into the GLB model and thus creating a 3D animation. GLB items can be viewed in several ways depending on which type has been chosen during capture. If the GLB item is needed to be viewed in PowerPoint, then current frame uncompressed must be chosen. Otherwise, all other types can be viewed in Report Viewer. Here's a demonstration of capturing GLB items to Reporter from D3plot. This is a D3plot session with some results. I can now open a linked Reporter session in order to capture my media items. I can choose any template of mine. This template contains two D3plot placeholder items. And note the specified job folder where the media files will be stored when the template is generated. Going back to the D3plot session, for my left-hand side item, I will capture an MP4 movie. For the right-hand side item, I will capture a current frame uncompressed GLB. As you can see, GLB items are displayed as static images in Reporter, but can be viewed in 3D in PowerPoint, D3plot Viewer, and Report Viewer. Since my GLB type is current frame uncompressed, I'm able to view my GLB item in 3D in PowerPoint. I'll now export my report to PowerPoint to view the items. As you can see in PowerPoint, I'm able to watch the MP4 movie, and I can also interact with my GLB item by rotating it, and I can also add an animation to it such that it moves automatically. In order to make use of the full potential of GLBs, I can view animated GLBs in D3plot Viewer and Report Viewer. I'll change the GLB type to animated uncompressed and generate the template. I'll now save the template and reopen it. When generating, any media files from the D3plot items will be saved in the specified job folder. In D3plot Viewer, I can navigate to my job folder and load in the GLB file produced when the template has been generated. After the model loads, I can now interact with my 3D animation. I can play and pause the animation, and I can also rotate the model. To view the report in Report Viewer, alongside the 3D GLB item, I will save the report and load it into Report Viewer. Now, as you can see as the report loads, the left-hand side shows the MP4 movie, and the right-hand side shows a window which hosts the GLB where I can interact with my model. Thank you.